right here. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you something that's going to add some spice to your bag of licks. This lick that I'm going to show you today uses some open strings, so I'm going to be playing it in the key of A. And stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to practice the lick so you can get your timing better at doing the lick. Okay, here's how to play the lick. Now you can see that lick covers the A, the D, and the E. So it's a pretty versatile lick. Okay, now here's how we play it. Here's the notes. If you're in A, you're going to start here. And we're going to start on the 3rd string, 6th fret. Then we're going to go to the 2nd string, 8th fret, back to the 3rd string, 6th fret, and then the 1st string open. So we've got, okay. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the 2nd string, 8th fret, 3rd string, 6th fret, 2nd string, 8th fret, 3rd string, 6th fret, and then the 1st string open again. So that's like that, and then you'll eventually get quicker at it. It'll sound like that. Okay. Now for the D part. Okay. Now when the song switches to D, all you do is move everything back 1 fret, and you're still hitting the open string there. So on this part, we're going to go 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, and then the 1st string open. So it's okay. Back to the 2nd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, and the 1st string open again. So that little part there is okay. Then we're going to go back to the 2nd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, and then the 1st string open. So it's same pattern we did here. Okay. Now when the song goes to E, you're going to just move them from your A. You're just going to move down the neck 1 fret here to hit this spot. Okay, and what that is the 3rd string, 7th fret, 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 1st string open. So it's okay, and then the 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, and 1st string open. So like that. And then we're going to go to the 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, and then back to open. Same pattern. And I'm using my fingers to hit those, like. Okay. Guess you could use the pick only. Like that. Much the same sound. It's just I got used to using my pulling up on the strings, and it just makes it easier for me. Okay, now if you want the tab for this, you can go to gospelpickinpost.com. That's my website. I got the tab on there for you. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to practice this, and you're not going to want to miss this if you really want to get your timing down on this lick. Okay, really quick, I'm going to show you how to get the Pickin' Buddy drum box. You're going to go over to gospelpickinpost.com, click on the Members Hub, and then we're going to go to Pickin' Buddy drum box, and here it is. And you'll notice that it has a straight straight country beat. It's got a swing shuffle, a train beat, and a waltz beat. But we're going to use the straight beat on this one. Okay. Okay. Now over here on the Pick a Buddy drum box, I'm going to start pretty slow, about 73 beats per minute. Okay, here's how you can practice with that. When you get better, we can move it on up to 100 and it'll sound something like this. Yep, that way you can work on your speed. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can practice it with the backing tracks library. I'm going to be over here on Glory Land Way with voice in A, and I'm going to start it around 35 or so it gets to the place for the lead break. And here's how you can practice it with that.
And the way groweth clear, for I'm in the glory land way.
Right here. Play some melody. You can kind of see how it can fit in there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that lick. And all I want to say is one more thing. Keep picking, keep on grinning, and keep them strings singing. Thanks and God bless.